They're made from 1/4 inch thick acrylic. They come in a variety of colors and they're produced in Hoover. But this little device has several uses. So here's how it works. It is a keychain, but you can also use it to push buttons and open doors.
It's a great product for somebody who right now doesn't want to touch everything when they're going out to the stores. You can just use this, wash it when you get home, and you're going to be in good shape.
Mary Lou Kunka owns Lulu's, a clothing store in Patton Creek. But when it closed down during the pandemic, she had to get creative.
So I wanted to do something different. I didn't want to be like everybody else. So I've got this great machine. What can I make with it?
She used her commercial-grade laser cutter early in the pandemic to make face mask clips that she gave away to healthcare workers. Now she says it's time to adjust her business model to our new reality.
We're all pivoting. This is what I call pivoting. I think I can't do business the way I did business at the shop 4 months ago, 5 months ago. It's never going to be like that again.
She's shipping out her first wholesale orders this week. In Hoover, Lisa Crane, WVTM 13.
If you're interested, you can find Safety Keys at Lulu's and Dear Prudence in Patton Creek, or you can check it out on their Facebook page. We've got a link for that for you, by the way, on the WVTM 13 app.